All right, this is Colt again. A continuation. I've tore the gusset off the seats. I thought you should see it like this first. So this is what you would do when you go to tear this apart. You'd want to leave the gussets intact if you can and just take the cushions off. So this is how we've done that. Okay, you see? These are all those gussets. These are the two cushions. Okay? And these are the zippers that we're going to reuse again. These panels, they came off real nice. There's not a tear in anything. They're real sturdy. Just reuse them. Both of them are good. And so there's 5 pieces to each of these. And then this is your gusset. This will all be made out of leather. And all of this will be made out of leather. And this will remain what it is. And they had a piece of welt cord here that went around through here and around the top here. But in this instance, that's going to be too bulbous for the back of this. So I'm going to leave it out. You just want nice, clean transitions and just, flawless seams. And with leather, I don't use a lot of welt cord. If I do, it's in key places, around the front of the seat, bottom seat, stuff like that, sometimes around the arms. But if you want a real sleek look, and that's what I'm going for with this Italian leather, no welt cord on top. They used automotive welt on this to get a thinner profile, but I don't like it. I'm not going to do it. And I told the customer that I'm not going to do it, and he agreed with me that it would look better. But that's the gusset they're going to make out of leather, and then we just tear it all apart real. You use these. I buy these on Amazon. You can buy a pack of, I think 10 or 15 for like $8. And when they start getting dull and you guys start to have to push, throw them, spend $30 and just buy a bunch of them. Depending on how much upholstery you're doing. But anyway, that's it. So you take your gusset off, you make sure, label it, and you videotape everything, and you get it, everything is labeled and witness marked, and ready to go. And then all you do is relieve these, iron them out, trace them out on leather, cut them out, and sew them back together. That's going to be some cool videos. I don't know how much you guys sew, but sewing's a big part of it. If you can't sew, you're gonna struggle being an upholsterer. But these steps are critical, and I just wanted to make a real quick one here so you can look at this. And that's the chair we're doing again. Really handsome chair. And it's going to be beautiful. All right, thank you. God bless. I'll be back. We're going to be tracing and cutting.